This is the keyboard I've been using for more than 2 years now, and if you're wondering, it's the Corsair K65 Mini, and it's been an amazing keyboard to use. But I recently got this keyboard sent out from Tecware, and I'm going to be showing you just how impressive it is. So thank you to Tecware for making this video possible. And if you guys are interested in getting the keyboard, I'll have all the links in the description. Getting into it though, this is the box right here, and they did an amazing job with it. It looks just as good as the boxes for the more popular keyboards, like from Razer and SteelSeries. And if you guys don't know, I actually got my first mechanical keyboard from Tecware in 2019, and it's crazy to see how much they've improved. But I'm gonna unbox it right now and talk more about the features. If you're looking for a keyboard that's like a custom keyboard but way cheaper, then I'd recommend this. Also, I noticed how it weighs more than any other keyboard I've owned, which is pretty nice. But apart from the keyboard, there's also an included keycap and switch puller, which is nice to see, as well as some extra replacement switches. And since this is the Elite version of the keyboard, there's also a Bluetooth dongle for the wireless mode. And you even get this awesome coiled cable, which is gonna look super nice in your setup. For the keycaps though, this keyboard has premium PBT black and gray keycaps, so they're gonna last a really long time because it is high quality plastic. And something I didn't notice at first was this little attachment on the top of the keyboard. It's basically a magnetic cover that you can take off really easily, so it's basically personal preference as to which way you like it. And probably the most important part about any keyboard are the switches, and this specific keyboard comes with orange, brown, pink, or red switches, and they sent me the one with the red switches. And the reason why this keyboard is so good is because the switches are actually pre-lubed, and so are the stabilizers. So basically all the keys feel really nice to use, including the space bar, shift, and stuff like enter keys. And by lubing the switches, this keyboard is going to feel better than basically any other gaming keyboard around this price range. And the keyboard also comes in a white and gray color, so if you have a white themed setup, you can definitely get that as well. Anyways, I'm going to plug this into my computer to see more of the features. So you can actually control the RGB from the keyboard itself, as you guys just saw, but you can also go to Tecware's website and download the software for the keyboard. It's really easy to install, and here's what the software actually looks like. So I've basically gone over most of the essential parts about this keyboard, but now I'll do a quick sound test just so you guys can get a feel for what it sounds like. So let me know what you guys think of this keyboard down below, and also stay tuned because I got some amazing content planned for you guys. And make sure to also join my Discord server in the description, since I really want to make it more active and hopefully do giveaways in the future.